Hey, what's up everyone? For this video, I will be doing my Chewbaka imitation. I've heard many people out there say that it's quite difficult to do, but it seems to come natural for me, so I decided to show you all my Chewbaka imitation. So here it goes. So that's just some of my Chewbacca imitation there. I don't really know what I was saying, but if any of you can translate it for me, please please do so. So anyway, yeah, that's my Chewbacca imitation. So you have anything else to say, Chewie? Chewbacca, you have anything else to say? Okay then. Alright, so he said, peace everyone, much love. So I just had to do my Star Wars Chewbacca imitation there. Much love, peace, bye.